Welcome to our licensing overview for Dell NetWorker. The licensing process looks like this. You need to obtain a license file, usually via licensing.dell.com. For served licenses, you then need to install a licensing server, which we cover in a separate video. Then the license is applied to NetWorker itself only if unserved, or additionally to the license server if it's a served license. The difference between served and unserved licenses is that served licenses can be used for multiple NetWorker servers, while an unserved license is only valid for a single NetWorker server. Let's investigate now how a license file looks like. The unserved license file will usually have some text between hashes, which is merely informative. You can see that this license file is of the unserved type. The license file is defined by the information it contains, such as the entitlement. In this case, it is of an increment NetWorker capacity type. The NetWorker server host ID for which this license is valid only, and information specific to the site that this license was generated for. The served license is similar to the unserved license, but do also contain information about the license server, such as the host address or IP and the port that is used for communication. Licenses can always be changed from served to unserved if needed through the licensing webpage, licensing.dell.com. For further information, please refer to the NetWorker licensing guide found at dell.com/manuals. Thank you for watching.